Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that deserve your hard-earned money. In today's video, we are going to break down the top 3 outdoor fridges available on the market. Our team has reviewed many products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our ranking based on many factors such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the manufacturer's reputation. So watch this video till the end. At number 3. Bull Outdoor Refrigerator. It is made up of 304 stainless steel, which provides superior durability to the fridge. It has double storage drawers, which allows for greater organization. Its front venting internal and external fans allows for versatile installation options. It has ETL, DOE, and CE energy savings certifications. It has internal LED control panel, self-closing doors, and locking functionality offer, which adds more convenience to it. At number 2. Thor Kitchen Outdoor Fridge. Its temperature can be adjusted with the digital touch blue LED display on the refrigerator. This refrigerator uses the ventilated cooling system, which can keep your food items efficiently chilled at the exact temperature you need at all times. This refrigerator comes in the stainless steel, and it is fingerprint resistant, so it can be easily cleaned with a damp cloth. This fridge drawer is equipped with double drawers and fits more than the traditional side-by-side refrigerator. It is built-in or freestanding, and it has 4 adjustable leveling legs. At number 1. Danby Mini Outdoor Fridge. This classic outdoor mini fridge is the ideal for backyard or deck. This whole unit is roomy with 4.4 cu-foot of fridge space. It has a cooling capacity for outdoor temperatures of up to 109 degrees Fahrenheit, 43 degrees Celsius. Its tall bottle storage is ideal for large pop, water, juice, or other drink bottles. Its white interior comes with LED interior lighting, glass shelves, and spotless steel door finish. That's all. You can see the latest prices and find out more information about the products we mentioned in this video using the links below in the description. And don't forget to press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching our video. Until next time, have a nice day.